In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add image to header in Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor and look to the left side of the screen. On the left menu bar, click the Add Elements button. This is where Wix keeps the tools you need to place new content on your site, including images, text, shapes, and other design items. For this tutorial, we are focusing specifically on adding an image and placing it inside the header area. After you click Add Elements, choose Image from the available options. Once you are in the Image section, click Upload Images. This will let you bring in a file from your computer so you can use it on the page. Select the image file you want to add. Wait for it to finish uploading if needed, and then click Add to Page. At this point, the image will appear on your site inside an image box that you can move around. Now comes the important part. Click and drag the image box upward toward the header section of your site. As you move the image into the top area, pay close attention to the visual prompts that Wix shows you. You want to keep dragging until you see a message appear that says Attach to Header or Move to Master. That message is Wix letting you know that the image is about to be placed inside the header container rather than just floating somewhere else on the page. Once you see that message, release your mouse button. The image should snap into place within the boundaries of the header. This helps make sure the image is actually part of the header section and stays aligned correctly. If it does not land where you want it the first time, simply click and drag it again until it snaps into the correct position. A helpful tip here is to move slowly when dragging the image into the header. That makes it easier to catch the prompt and place the image accurately. You should also make sure the image looks balanced inside the header space, so it does not feel too crowded or misaligned. That is the full process for adding an image to the header in Wix. Once the image snaps into the header container, you are done. That covers everything you need to know.